So this is a Taiwan company, and they have this branch in Al Mirkab Mall, the first branch in Qatar. They call it as collection toys, and this turns for a minute or two. It keep moving for just a full move will be for a minute or two. And the second branch will be opening in Doha Festival City. This toy seems to be really interesting for kids and I think for everywhere it goes. In the living room or garden. So this is fully mechanical, so you don't need batteries or any input of electricity. So it turns fully mechanical. And the toys cost from 100 to 500. So the 500 one is the biggest one that we are seeing here on the top. This is 500. They have Tour Eiffel, Castle Garden, Happy Campfire. This is the Mountain Rail. Prince Charming. The spring tea train is coming.